Building self-confidence is a journey that starts with recognizing your worth and embracing your uniqueness. It involves challenging your inner critic and replacing self-doubt with self-compassion. Practicing gratitude and setting small, achievable goals are key to building a solid foundation of self-belief. Surrounding yourself with positive influences and celebrating your progress, no matter how small, reinforces your confidence in yourself. Reflecting on your past successes and using them as stepping stones towards your future endeavors can boost your confidence even further. Engaging in self-care practices and being kind to yourself during challenging times are essential components of nurturing self-confidence. Finally, speaking to yourself with kindness and affirming your abilities daily can transform self-doubt into unwavering self-assurance. Remember, building self-confidence is a continuous journey filled with ups and downs, but every step you take brings you closer to empowerment and self-fulfillment.